Hey there, everyone. Today I'm super excited to share something that's not just a product, but a ticket to unparalleled comfort and luxury right here in Dubai. Introducing the ultimate comfort companion, Baygan's Bamboo Sherpa Fleece Blanket. Trust me, it's a game changer for your home. Picture this. You're in Dubai, the city of wonders where every day is an adventure. But as the sun sets and the city lights twinkle, the evenings bring a cool breeze. That's where Baygan steps in, bringing you the coziest, most luxurious blanket you've ever wrapped yourself in. Crafted with the softest Sherpa fleece, Baygan's blankets are more than just a warm embrace on a chilly night. They're a statement of elegance and sophistication, perfectly designed to match the modern, luxurious vibe of your home. Whether you're planning a beach night under the stars or a cozy family movie evening, this blanket is your perfect companion. It's not just about staying warm, it's about experiencing comfort at its finest. And the best part? You can shop this luxury at an unbeatable price. Head over to the renowned Baygan store in Dera, or simply click away at Baygan's official website. With prices that don't break the bank, you're in for an affordable slice of luxury. But why choose Baygan? Because we're a brand synonymous with quality, a name trusted in the finest of home furnishing stores. Our reputation for excellence and customer satisfaction envelops you just as surely as our cozy and warm blankets. Need more reasons? How about swift delivery all over the UAE, ensuring your comfort is just a click away? And if you've got questions, our customer support is always there to help. So, what are you waiting for? Wrap yourself in the comfort of Baygan's Bamboo Sherpa Fleece Blanket and elevate your home comfort game. Check us out on Amazon or visit www.baygan.ae to grab yours today. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Stay cozy, stay stylish, and remember, with Baygan, every night is a luxurious experience. See you next time with more fantastic finds.